Back to another video. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing, and then I'm actually going to be applying one of these colors to my toes. But they sent me over, Born Pretty sent me over another package with some more shades, and I decided I wasn't going to post it at first, but I decided to go ahead and post it for you guys just so you all could see the shade. And I was doing my toes anyway. I did not film my toes since they were not acrylic overlay this time, because I am giving my feet a break, or my toes a break from acrylic powder. So I will get to that in a second, but I did just want to go over these colors with you all, and they look like pretty neutral pink shades and then one red shade. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the swatching, and then we'll be applying one of these shades on my toes. So they sent me over, I actually asked this brand to send me some acrylic powders, you guys, and they like low-key refused to send me acrylic powders. So that was a whole thing. But they ended up sending me this, which I was like, I really didn't want this. Like, they just offered to send me it after I asked for acrylic powders, because they do have acrylic powders as well. And that's what I really wanted to try out. I did not really care to try out any more polishes. And I did this set of polishes that they sent me, I really did not like as much as the last ones. If you have not seen my last video, I will post it up here in the picture for you all if you want to go check that video out. Excuse me, but I wanted some acrylics. I wanted to do an acrylic set with some acrylic powders from them, because I have never tried their acrylic powders. However, they like really kind of like pushed me to the side with that and said, no, we're not giving you no acrylic powders. We're just going to give you gel polishes from Amazon.
I'm done with you. I'm done.
I have never really seen a review of Born Pretty acrylic powders. I may just purchase them myself and do a review on them, but I do have other acrylic powders that are coming. And I'm not going to tell you all what acrylic powder are coming, but if somebody, okay, I'm gonna do a little giveaway right here. If somebody can guess what acrylic powder set that I have coming, or not set, what acrylic powders I have coming in the mail. They're actually coming tomorrow, so I'll probably record it tomorrow. But if you can guess what acrylic powder, like what brand name I'm getting my next acrylic powders from in the comments below, then I'm gonna send you a mystery box. I will send you a mystery box from my website. So if somebody guesses correctly, I will be reaching out to you all. If there are a few of you that guess correctly, I will put y'all in a drawing, and I'll do a drawing live on either live or up here or on Instagram, or I might do it in a video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm super tired, you guys. Like, it's just been a super long day. It's raining outside. Like, I'm just exhausted. So yeah, if you can guess what brand of acrylic I ordered that is coming in the comment section, link it down below in the comment section, and I'll be seeing who gets it correctly. But I'm super excited to try this brand. I will give y'all a hint. It is a Instagram brand, so something that I think they're usually on TikTok as well. So yeah, if y'all can guess which one I'm getting, what brand, then you'll be able to run in the running for a mystery box. I'm sorry my words are all over the place, you guys, and I'm sorry I have not been telling y'all about these polishes, but I just wanted to get that out real quick. So this is what my toes were looking like before. I'm going ahead and I'm putting my drill on the speed of 12 RPMs. I am using a coarse 5-in-1 bit to drill this. On my big toe, I have a hard gel and gel polish on my big toe. This has been on for forever, you guys. Like, I did a fill on my acrylic set that I did way back. I did an acrylic overlay on my toes before. I will link that video above for you all right here if you want to go check that out. But I did acrylic overlay, and then I let that grow out a little bit, and I ended up putting some clear hard gel over top of the acrylic powder because I didn't want to use acrylic anymore. And yeah, I just let them grow out way too far, like way too far, and I ended up cutting them down, so that's why they looked how they looked in the first picture or whatever. They were perfectly like square shaped and whatnot before like I had done any damage to my nail, but I have just been not taking care of my toenails, and like with the acrylic on them anyway, I've been letting them grow out way too far and way too long. So I tend to like bang my toes on stuff, and like just shoes or putting pressure on it as well. So I wanted to bring them all the way down this time and make sure that they are filed. I wanted to get all the acrylic, all the hard gel off of my nails, and just use one of these polishes to just do a quick gel polish set on my toes, because I do need my toes still looking cute. Now before this, I did go ahead and get myself a pedicure. I gave myself a pedicure in the bathtub, and my feet were so much smoother on the bottom, so I definitely needed that. But yeah, right here I'm just drilling off all the polish. I've had green, I've had silver, I've had pink, I've had like different colors on my toes since the last time y'all have seen me do my toes. So some polish was left over underneath everything and whatnot. But yeah, I just went ahead and drilled everything off, and then I am going to actually be taking the polish. It was numbered. I don't even think they have like actual I don't think they have actual names. They just have numbers on them. So I'm taking the purplish mauve color, and I decided to go ahead and use that color because that was like something different that I don't normally do, and it was a very pretty color. So after I have done all that, and I went ahead and filed, pushed my cuticle back off camera, all that jazz, straighten them up a little bit, cut them down, whatever I needed to do. And now I'm just applying some base coat. This base coat is from Madam Glam. This is actually my first time even using this base coat. I've never used their base coat or their top coat, but I will say that I don't really care for their top coat, only because it is you have to wipe it, and I don't like top coats where I have to wipe it. However, I do use it at the end of this video, so you will see like the shine of it and everything. But yeah, I should have this part right here where I'm just wiping with my fingers. I really should have just taken a little small brush and put some alcohol or acetone on it and wiped it away, but obviously I didn't. I wanted to switch up the camera angle and try to get a better angle. It's super hard for me to film doing my toes, you guys, just because of my setup that I have in my room. Like, I don't really have anything to put my foot on, so I ended up putting it on my son's like really old chair, and I just put like a white towel down. If you want to check out my how I film, what I use, how I film, and my nail room setup, how I store all my nail supplies, I will link that video above for you all. That was my last video that I posted if you are interested in checking that out. But yeah, my setup for my room is not very pedicure friendly or doing toe videos friendly, so I did what I could. As you can see on the nail, they are not that sheer, but if you notice, the swatches were super sheer, you guys, like super sheer. And I didn't really care for that. Like, these would not be my go-to polishes as far as this set. Now, if you see my last video, those colors were a lot more pigmented than these colors. These colors were not as pigmented on the first swatch. So I always compare polishes to Madam Glam, and I do that because Madam Glam has very pigmented polishes where you only need sometimes one coat and you're good to go. But these, you definitely need 2 coats. It did look pretty with 1 coat. However, I definitely went in with another coat, and some of the other polishes that I had in this kit would not have been even as pigmented as these were. Like some of the pinks were not given like how they should. Even the red was very see-through. So I don't know about this kit. I personally would not probably purchase this kit. However, the last one that I did with the neon colors, I would definitely have purchased that one because they were a lot more pigmented than these for whatever reason. I don't know like what kind of formula they have, but all their formulas are different with this brand, and that's just one thing that I don't really care for. If I get something from a brand, I kind of want it to be the same consistency just so I know exactly what I'm getting each time I buy it. But yeah, that's the only thing I had to say about these polishes. And then the rest of this is pretty much just my application of the nail polish, just showing you all how I apply the nail polish. I do not go into my cuticle area with polish. I kind of like press it up how you would acrylic powder. So I almost do it the same as how I would apply acrylic powder. And right here, I finally got the brush out, you guys, and I'm wiping off the sides. And yeah, I definitely wanted to clean it up a little bit more. I think that was a super, super pretty color, you guys. And yeah, I was super happy with the outcome. And I'm glad I finally did my toes because, y'all, my toes were looking real raggedy. And I was really going out in public like that. And I just needed my toenails to be a little shorter. And I chose to do only gel polish this time because instead of acrylic or any poly gel or any hard gel, because it was just like too harsh on my feet, too harsh on my toes. And I know a lot of people don't complain, but it just wasn't for me. And I didn't keep them up how I should have kept them up. So that was my personal issue. If you are somebody who is way better than me with maintenance and keeping up with stuff, then keeping up with your toes and getting your nails and feet done all the time, then it shouldn't be an issue for you getting acrylic toes. However, it was just not for me. So I'm just doing away with that for a while and keeping my nails underneath super healthy. And I just wanted to put some gel polish over top of it this time. Now I am going to place the top coat down. This is, like I said, Madam Glam top coat. This is my first time using it. And I'm also going to be applying some rhinestones to the big toe. So I went ahead and did that to give it just something because it was looking kind of plain. And y'all already know how I go with rhinestones and bling. I always have to have it. Even when I say that I don't, I always end up adding some. So that's pretty much what I did. And yeah, if you have not liked this video yet, why haven't you liked my video, y'all? And why aren't you subscribed? If you're not subscribed, y'all need to subscribe. Like, you have to subscribe to my videos. You have to. And put your notification bell on because I'm always doing giveaways. I always have announcements. I go live. So I need y'all to turn your notifications on. Like this video, leave a comment down below. Make sure that y'all go ahead and comment which acrylic powder, which brand you think I'm trying out in my next video. I want to know down below what brand you think I'm trying out in my next video. Whoever gets it correctly, I will be putting you in a drawing for a mystery box. So good luck to everybody, and I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.